How to merge photos on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the Picturinter application on your phone. The Picturinter app is used for creating photo collages and scrapbooks by combining multiple images into a single layout, similar to pic stitching. Users can arrange photos using various grid layouts, personalize them with filters, effects, stickers, and text, and then share them on social media. Once you're here, select the photos you want to merge. Go to the bottom panel and choose the layout that you want. Then, tap on Next at the bottom right corner. You can now adjust and edit the photos as you like using the edit options below. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner. After that, tap on the download icon to save this photo to your phone. Now, go back and open up the Photos app. You can now view the photo you just saved over here. Following these steps, you can easily merge photos on iPhone.